ladies and my gents, welcome back to my YouTube video. From you read the title, you know what is going on. Remember, like, comment and subscribe. Guys, I'm emphasizing on the word subscribe, please. I actually want to reach to 500 in a very short time. Well, not really, but may I give myself until summer, around that time, to reach 500. However, guys, today I will be a farm girl, so stay tuned and see what the video is all about. All right.
But did you notice something, Charlie Brown? What's that? The world didn't come to an end.
The world is moving, we were never meant to stay, but I was working on the world.
Hold him, you have to hold him neck. Dry it out next time and hold him.
What you doing noise? You hear that? Do you hear head in neck noise?
It's called gap. Any final words? 1, 2, 3. Hot and ready. No, with some pepper.
You come.
Feel? No, in favor dainty. Going full in cacao. Dainty.
Why you did it there? Foot cock.
I just all against the foot. Hot. 1, 2, 3. Lucky charm.
And now the game of me, I do it myself. Once gone for me, I beat the leg. I find a way to make easy bread. I got a dolly for me skull, me just squeezing meg. Come on, a girl from in a school, my dog. My mother calls me every day about my tool and find a piece of grab a craving here in a me uniform. I know me music, them I play like me a junior guy. The hard things that she love her, figure in me life. See it up in her ring, she like the camera drive. Never ask for feel, I think she just want ride it back. She love the way the turbo see me tell her pass me like. I'm a fella light up a split that. Pussy no nice like a skull deposit. Me say me dump it just a vibe and it up just a shit. Dump it just a vibe and it up just a shit. Fuck up a game but me still use my Georgian. Step on the line, my little brother just soul. I know if you forget a skull will never be a hit soul. And then they run a star chicks will grow up out of the program. Step on the grind, do not let that go. The money fuck up, but no put it on your head top now. When you bingo, you hold me, then nothing know. And as I elevate, watch your places I go. And now the game of me, I do it myself. One half scan for me, I beat me bed. Find a way to make easy bread. I got a dolly for me skull, me just squeeze it, meg. Come on, I come from in a school, my dog. My mother calls me every day about my tool and fan. A piece of grab a craving here in me uniform. I know me music, them I play like me a jump. Decorating and stay hungry, you can't do patient. Fast, you gotta work, but sometimes take too long. But they help on a vacation. Pick up the life, control it like a PlayStation.
Okay, so by now you see what we're doing. We're actually killing some chickens. Yes, we're actually trying out, well, not trying out. It's for me, it's trying out, but for them, it's something that they normally do. And today I'm on the farm with them and we're killing a few chickens. Guys, these chickens are terrible. You see the one them on the ground? All they do is walk and pick people foot. Them terrible bad. Just look. Is it? Them pick up the stuff them because food is on the ground. Anyway, guys, so yeah, we killed some few chickens, get some more people, and them come and them give a hand. Guys, for me, it was all dainty for me. But unaga see what me do. Unaga see what me do. I'm wanting to tell me if me I move too dainty. And dainty is not even the word, you know. I'm doing my thing, but I'm scornful. Right now, I'm not even eat chicken for a long while. So these are the baby chickens. They are around 2 weeks, and them actually look traumatized. I was so sorry for them because them actually I see what happening, and them just make be nice. Them make be nice, like you can legitly hear them a cry out, and I was like, poor soul, poor thingy. All right, so this is my little section. I clean up chicken foot and neck.
One shot in the middle, put the thing down, you will have never been like family. I ain't dancing, John. That I'm a plot the big big plan. Run time, run more than grind. Anytime I need you, I let you know I die. What do you see? So I lie, but I will peace, me and peace by the side. I want to get a picture. I want to get a picture. You will come out? I'm so sorry if I tell you more. Hustle up, money more, designer duck, touch your road. Pussy say something on officer, what's it throat? No money, no for better, nothing for my worry about. The money checks, still I run it down. Call up the money, tell it to hurry up. Ready for anything, we are 100 round. Put me the gate and I'm on girl that loans I hunt him down. That's a hit or him start to want smoke with us. Our money now. Flames upon him to a shine and roast him skull. Relish in a wreckage, close with call. Let's do the chatting, more with funds. Left wrist spotted, close them tough. Be a top model, rolling lord. Stupid money, Down syndrome. Pull up off a CMA, out with ducks. Show up on my cocky bitch, what's it done? Bread winner, we are winning bread, food me now. Fuck with the awards, gone from the chase on the red with a dollar. Dog on the face, so I stay home corner. Out on the crib, them a plagiarize. Robbery, pussy, them a speak on my name, them a fan. Look a flight, was a ship on the plane, on the solid. That's how we do it again from a waist with the calories. Black balaclava, from my brother face. Got it, we got it, I never can a trick. Alone down, team down, dancers, hate on. Him start don't want smoke with us, our money now. Flames are burning to a shallow, roses gun. We are racing a wreckage, tours of call. Let's for the chatting, more with funds. Left wrist party, close them tough. Be a top model, rolling loud. Stupid money, Down syndrome. They like that on the money now. Baby, Disney, don't and style, mental and straight. I know they like about the riders, but we get on the way. No business, but nothing after that. I know a different time. Right now, me, I'm mad. I know the fun, demon time. Pull up to the back straight, look a nice time. Love me, love to see the cash rain on my eyesight. Love in the power, eyesight. Yeah, be a black up in a Down syndrome.
Me say guys, them go make the mistake and give the lady a chicken for clean up. Me say me want take 25 minutes to clean up one chicken. Just imagine if I'm paid a bit of pay for clean the chicken them, eh? So it would have got time start for about 12 hours, cause listen, you see how me all about my lip, you know? Hard work. me I do in other people them chicken coop. I never know me that could come down to this. Guys, must kind of keep the chicken. This is why as much as just look at my face. Look at my face and that will tell you exactly what you want to know. Me legitly has scanned the chicken. Like, why me earning this rash thing? Why? But at the end of the day, it's money, yeah? And money motivate people. So I'm gonna do it. Yeah, me I do it. But guys, would I do it again? Would I do it again? Maybe I would. But the people of legit they come to me and say, how long do you depend on that? Hear me now. I'm done, man, I'm done. Guys, me don't know if me if we not gonna eventually see, but there should be a clipping where me have to put my foot in or something because the chicken them constantly a pick my foot. I don't get a break. When I get a break. Not a break when I get shot. But for me it was exciting. Not like it's the first time me and there were people were kill chicken because my aunt raised and killed chicken, but I've never interacted are involved in it. I just see it walk past it. Did I know one day this will happen? No. But look at me now. You see, sometimes life really is a cycle, you know. You grow up, see something, and you run from it, and you get big, turn adulthood, and poop, you're in it. Me I show you say there's something hard for come out. One of the hardest part that you see the little ear them in the little chicken body right there, so even though you gotta cut it off, but you still have to take it out for, you know, persons get it or buying it. You see this so? That will make you curse bad word. It make me cut my hand, my fingernail because my fingernail naturally you know, but my grow it a little. And by doing that, I cut up my own finger them. With just my own fingernail, I cut my own self. But it was a good experience. Them chicken are big and fat, like a little fluffy. I say them fat, you see? Them fat, they were all 5 pounds and 6 pounds. I don't know what them did I eat. Who I feed them, that's none of my business, but me know them big, right? This I'm frustrated. Cause each time I say I'm done, or me I look, I find something more. And I was like, yeah, whatever. But guys, just watch the video. Me just sit back and me I remember the day. This was early, you know. This was about 12 o'clock them time here. I may say, yeah, we are going good. We're soon done. Soon done? Sure. Sure. The worst is yet to come, my love. Just watch my face and look at my finger them caca. Hey, I think I was forced to be here. Because ain't no way I volunteered to do this thing. Each time when I see me look down at the chicken them not give me a break. The one them with on the floor when I dead yet. That is waiting on their last meal. Yeah. Them think me them last meal because apparently them not stop pick me up. Me have to hide my foot. But just look. One more. Wanna see what me I pick up for this chicken? Wanna see what me I pick up? Oh my god. I could do this for your job. You see the little chicken ear them on the bottom, the little part up there, sir? Sure. Can't follow this a job, yeah. But then know who I mean, because they would have to fire me the same day, my love. A good thing I me, I am myself. But, you know, I think I did a good job at it. I think I really did a tremendous job. So guys, when una watch it, una tell me what una think. Tell me the do's and the don'ts of what I should have done and what I shouldn't do, and what I should have the next time whenever I'm doing something like this. Yeah. But all I know is plucking chicken is not a boy job. You not take boy for do this. You need a army and you need a whole kill squad to do this. And seeing it and doing it is two different stuff. Because as I said, I saw my aunt doing this all my life, but she always do it quick to me. But she have a great team, you know? And once you get the LP, you go done quick. But boy, I was stressed out. I was stressed. I was over it. By the time I done use the one and clean it up, I don't want nobody put no more in front of me. I don't want to take water break. All kind of break I take. All kind of break I take. Look for me. What me I take off of the chicken? No, tell me really and truly what me I take. Watch you now. Watch me. Watch me now. Like me know what me I do. I don't know what me I do now. I swear I don't know what I'm doing. But just I do and I pick and I pack and I listen. Oh my god. Guys. Really and truly don't know what my dad do. Look for my man. As a little farm girl. Only thing I need is a hat and a watch. Never lick the chicken. You see I'm rude? At the bag the chicken, I pick up underneath the little thing that I have the crate that I put it on. The chicken underneath it, I try pick the bag. Crazy.
Just tell me
Shopping around my Gucci got desire, VPN, flat, the dollar, trigger, US, then make a get dollars. Diana run school of a car, but FaceTime one, but the big grass chop. The key, I'm each with the phone, yeah. 6.8 for the fuck, right? Exhaust, so like shoot the stop light. The one I have tried, yeah. I'm not dying for the high, there's no other life. I'm shopping on my Gucci got desire, VPN, flat, the dollar, trigger, US, can make a hit ballers. Diana run school of a car, but FaceTime one, but the like ball. Fuck up the states, drop a blood clot chick. Fuck up the chest, I'm not gonna up the base. My girls in the race, they want to let me split the ways. Digital, 6.8 to the fuck, right? Exhaust, all the sugar got stop like. They wanna like me, and some not stop time. And all over them, so we don't stop trying. Yeah, I'm not dying for the high, there's a lot of life. I haven't found a giant. Yeah, there's a sky. From the morning, got wire. Me and my dog, I'm a giant. Me and my dog, I'm a giant. Me and my dog, I'm a giant. So yeah, shopping around me. Gucci with the sign, Ruby and flat, yeah, it's all like US can get ballers. Daniel, face like one, I get up the grass, chop out the keys, and the shit. That man is like that. White dog, goes in stack, zero stack, restaurant style, designer, yeah, show me driver, hot body, yeah, I gotta see the shine, I'm in the beat, and I'm
Let me finish now. Yeah,
98445. Still I just said 3 skulls 4 life. We take the money and then it one more time. We tell my dog said girl live more life. 3 be my drop one time, that a good life. More the girl who fuck I just more once. Gonna be up in a get chopped this whole time. Pooping a fuck them girl this whole time. We couldn't get to make one fast. The shot start to the sharp one for 97,000. Cause this car can't dance man. Two of them at the shop, your mother and son. Everybody want rich till them money can't them. Can't leave them the night in the place like us. I want talk and stay up. Rice beer gonna one fast. Yeah, you said it and fear none man. Richard Mack, you know the music on the line. I have to stay constant, but then you show no love. You know the place I'm from, stick to the plan. You have to track the line and make me the end.
It's a 5 and a Now y'all see that I wasn't exaggerating to all long my take for clean up the chicken till them for come to me for the chicken. Hey, this job is definitely for me. So those are the little ones. These are the what is remaining. And me again, pan the next chicken. Me don't know them wicked said to me. My dear, my dear. Anyways, when you want good, you know what's off a run. And remember that you are benefiting from this thing. So you got to do what is right for you. Alright? Alright, so me again, back at it again, my love. On the second chicken. Listen. As to the second chicken, listener. I'm on the on the wing now. I don't know, like the phone they shift or something. Yeah, they shift definitely. See, they might help me take out the little part of the little chicken body and them still left piece. I'm not even know why they even asked for help in the first place. But either way, all I me I tell them a show me how to use the knife to take off all of that. And me I make them know say it's better with my finger because me can't bother with the knife thing. Come favor handicap. You see, my finger do it better. I have that knife in my hand and me I use my finger. Sometimes you have to just stick to the evil way, you know. Because me and the knife thing not gonna work out. On the blasted flat. Next time we have to get the 119 something. You know the 119 something that my grandmother tell me about it? 119, it come in a one little packet something. Powder, you put in a water, spray it all over the place and all the fly them will gone. But you know you're not gonna put it on the meat kind. You gotta spray it before you do all of that. Alright? So next time I gotta definitely have that. Cause I can't bother with them little gingivitis fly here when me I look on. I look on my face. Hard work, you know? Hard work. At first me was focus in a life. Me focus. Watch my man. Jesus Christ. I take your work really, really, really serious. And I love that. I love that. Yeah, man. A serious something. But my man, hard-working girl. So I'm not gonna tell myself I'm not hard-working because y'all see me dress up all the time. And feel like say, show me dress up, I don't know if I do hard work. Look on this. This come the way that work hard, that's where I think is a site me depan. A fling cement bucket. Seriously.
If you're short, if you're rich, you're rich. If you don't rich, I'm patient. Do what you have to do. Think we know what we have to do. We don't do what we have to do, we just have to do. Because not doing is my enemy. Get up. You sit down too long, Satan will massage you, you have nothing, man.
When I push on the door, put the blood clap in my cruise control. I never feel rich, almost got your plates for just when I fuck your carry, yeah, the cat next door. She's just still up on the Insta and the explorers and the driven full of sauce on the down so road. She like give a picture when they kill you upload. Man, when they kill you upload, when they speak to the man.
What was the one that I
We don't know what we have to do, we just have to do. Because not doing is my enemy. Get up. You sit down too long, Satan will massage you, you have nothing,
When I push on the door, put the blood clap in my cruise control. I never feel rich, almost got your plates for just when I fuck your carry, yeah, the cat next door. Just still up on the Insta and the explorers and the driven full of sauce on the down so road. She like give a picture when they kill you upload. Man, when they kill you upload, when they start to be man. Half and bench, I see the little driven in a walk, well,
And as much as you see me, I do the easiest part of the work, I feel and I believe that I did the hardest part of the job. Guys, me I clean up chicken, me I clean up foot, neck, liver, which I really like the liver thing because that's too soft. Plus, me I take notes, pound of this, pound of that, me I write down notes, me I take weights. Me I sell in the meanwhile too, because while we were there, someone came and make an order. And you hear me I make calculation. So I feel like I do the hardest part of the job. Because my head have a screw on, we can calculate all of these stuff. All of these stuff. And to be honest, I was sad, I was really sad this day. I was excited, and then when the rush come down, I was so over it. So I was just sad. But apart from being sad, me happy for the day. I was happy to be there because at least I can tell my grandkids when I all say I did pluck chicken when I did much younger. Yeah, me I show you say I can dance and me I do the things them. And the chicken food them really big, The chicken food them really big. Some of them really, you have some small ones. Not all of them are big. But you have some small ones. But you see the one them were big. Them BIG with 3G backite. Yeah, man. Really big. Look at me now with my dainty self. What you mean? Just look up my finger them. Certain job enough for me. Me could work at a slaughterhouse. Or in a, well, I actually like feed them and stuff like that. And I can get all of them names. As much as when I remember them. Maybe I'll call them back. Well, and maybe it's a short thing that when I say Brian, Dai, Kerry, I'm give them all of them name, Roy, Palmer, all of that. Them always mix up. But when I come in and I see them, I was like, what ya? Right, it must say my friend Brian, Brian that there. Yeah, I mean that when I see them, or Dai, you know, you have to make fun of everything because they are dumb animals, and at the end of the day, if I'm me alone, me would have cherish all of them here and have them as spitting in my house. Yeah, I know the place would have smell really bad because them bottom nana manners and all of that. But I was just saying, but if I'm me alone, would have them as pets. But I feel like me gonna pet one of them. I might pet one of them. Not this batch, the next one. Definitely. See me I look up, and see me I look up. I order me I take. Not order. Sorry, I'm taking the weight. So if you make the weight, lodge it in my big head, and then now I pause my camera, I make my notes. Then I have to stop on my camera and start work back. Hey, this job is not a boy job. This is not a boy job. And guys, for the music that is playing, guys, I'm so sorry. I don't know them either. I honestly don't know those songs. I not even know the only one song me did, not even song, but the artist me did. Me know see Jamal sing one of the song them. But apart from that, I really don't know them. And as me say, me did just happy for the day, so me never in control for say, oh, change that and play this and play that. Because at the end of the day, we get help, and whoever help you for that, they want to listen, and that they might listen. Because I don't really have a choice. Hopefully, God's will, in the future, I can have a kill team. So whenever it's that day, I can pay persons to kill. It's the first time for me. And as I say, yeah, me I show, no? Me I show. Yeah, so when the people them bleach, them skin look on it. I'm not bashing anyone that bleach. Disclaimer, I'm just saying. Okay? But yeah. And you see the chicken I pick my foot. The chicken I pick my foot. Yeah, man. I know say the chicken I pick my foot. I don't get a break. I not get a break from them. None tell me not get a break. And don't believe I sing the song. More likely I say something to myself. Yeah, man. Because sometimes I actually think out loud. I don't know if I think out loud, but I think out loud sometimes. Not sometimes, most times. Yeah, but yeah, I just did and I do the do. Happy for the day to do.
Jump out, man, them a figure sick on me. Look, you see them a living on my style. Me turn up place 19. I'm the time time with a next. Them gonna try pull me the gun from me to the stage. 19 things done, never separate. My father was for me, big for me. Never let new chap, nigga on the back. Better give it space down, and me crash out the side behind the way.
Much I normally put in there.
Do everything for us. Saw blood clot when and I if me bust fat piece of me job. I me chip this up. If an onion food then it did us. Big rubber, big thief, that rich is gruff. Not even anything, but I saw it. I not take. Cool cash flipping, I'm a rich, I can't see me, I'm a tone of women. I may not care who do not believe. Tell me, me sorry, but they don't have to know. Check your price from the shoes on my feet. If I'm not tone, gonna ask no one to believe. The flashing lights, I live in my this life. Them say chop is wrong, but the cash is right. I'm not stop until I'm satisfied. And a normal cash down the chop. So when you catch up at you then the bother them. Just a full of let make the razor and no one the fucking part. Rise from on shipboard, send the cans them. And the liberty just hear me back. You love this man best in your life. You will be able to strike any time of day. Kill on the missing it, tough with the bangs in it. It's on the top and you're dead. Time to sell me in the news. Fucking every life that's good. You come out of the sign.
Alright, so this is me outside washing all the chicken foot and the necks as best as possible, because this is when me I bag them up and then weigh them and put them into the fridge. And remember me telling us say me the supervisor of the day, right? Because I was only female there. So me the supervisor for the day and me I do the female parts of it. So yeah, this was the second batch. Yeah. Vamos dar pinche até still. And even when the work I get harder, we still find them very on joke. Because better little joke than quarrel, right? Yeah, we just. Is that you?
From BOJ. Cash and delivery, COD. Don't run the business, that a POP. Man, I POS. The fuck with the food, that's how you OD. I want to bring out K, I don't feel I love it. The money on my mind every day, all week. Always up on the grind, me no care about sleep. Promise mommy a house, me swear me go do it. This is them a cap on a post, me wonder how them feel. Yeah, but we okay. We're full of bricks like DOJ. Couple investment on a COK. Yeah, me attitude stink, but when the DR spread, girl I relocate, me gon' need more space. Brown in there,
Yes.
she feel more safe.
Alright, so this is me now doing a few packings. Yes, we did set ice from the night before. You know you have to keep them cool after you do the killing and put them in some cold water and so forth. Me that I take a snap. Guys, night come down and we still a kill. So what happened was some of the person them did eventually go home, and I guess about sure we did eventually leave. And we did have like about 6, yes, about 6 leave. And them just a kill and I got you. My phone did a dead, so I never get for finish clip up and do all of the stuff them. And we eventually have to wash out the cube, and when me wash out the cube, my phone dead. But you're gonna see that. You're going to see that. And if you remember in the beginning of the video, I taught them how to do that. Because you know them ton people and I don't know about killing a chicken, you know. We were actually using the crocus bag method, but the bag constantly them tear up. So I said, okay then use this. And it actually worked out. I think them should buy me a drink. Them need to buy me a drink for this knowledge, because nothing no come free. This one, look at him give problem. But yeah, just watch this. So you notice that the person of here turn the thing because him constantly move in it. But yeah, we were at the season finale of killing these chickens. And I'm gonna miss the first batch. We'll still have a second batch, and hopefully the next time it will be better. There's no such word as better, but yeah, it will be better, and we will be starting earlier than this time. We're gonna start from about 7 o'clock this time, so we can done early. Because to be honest, when we done this, my back hurt me, my foot them feel sore. I don't know how the soldier them up a camp stand up for so long. I remember I wasn't standing for the whole day. I was sitting down. I'm gonna look standing too, but it was hella hectic. And this year, so these are 4. I think 2 more did leave inside for kill, and this I did the last set. Guys, this is I don't really remember how it go, but yeah, but they had the last set I wash off. Not really last set, but season finale we had the last batch. I watched the foot and the neck them, and we clean them up. But when I look, my sister 2 upon the table, so that was 6, and 6 asleep. So I got it wrong. It was 12 in total, and this was minutes after 8. This was minutes after 8. So still we are going at the washing part, you know. There's a little pipe there, so you know we are clean up. That's where the blood up water, and this is when my phone died. My phone died, but maybe get some more clippings phone off after, like, you know, in the fridge or it's packed, and we eventually clean it up, wash it out with fresh water and all of that. The next day we turn on the fan in the dry, you know, sun. We pull down the tarpaulin for sun catching there, bleach it up, all of that, you know, and get the place ready up for the next batch. We eventually finish after 12 to 1 a.m. This was a few days after everything was done. And guys, if you have reached this part of the video, thanks for watching. Yes, I really appreciate it. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.